Welcome back, YouTubers, gunners, subscribers all around the world. Filming 2 episodes in one day. So today we are going to take the motor out of here because we are using a K24 from Japan, a JDM K24. So we are going to disassemble the car. We are going to take the turbo kit off. We're going to use this dope vane engine stand to show you how easy it is. And we're also going to raffle this motor off Monday. So I'll post this, which is today, Saturday, your time, but it's Friday for me. Yeah, little time lapse. We'll talk in between and just enjoy. Keep gunning. Okay, gunners, we're basically done for the day. So what did we do exactly? We're not using the K20 Z3 motor. It's a 2007 Z3 with 21,000 miles. I took off the black valve cover because we need it for the all-wheel drive K24 setup on Lefty. It's in immaculate condition. It has the VTEC solenoid, it has the crank sensor, it has the VTC, it has a K-tune shifter bracket. It's going to come with the K-tune shifter cables. It's going to come with all the motor mounts and hardware you need to put it into an EG or a DC. Now, how do you win it? Simple. Monday, 6 o'clock in the morning, we're doing a 12-hour raffle. It's open, $20 a man. I don't care if you buy 900. I don't care if you buy one. If we only have a raffle with 4 people, that's $80. We're raffling off the motor for $80. So it's an open raffle, basically like a fundraiser to fund the car and finish it the correct way. I'm going to put a fresh red valve cover on it. This was the one that we were going to use for Project Driver, and that's basically it. So Monday morning, you DM me, PayPal or Cash App, and it's going to come with the vane stand also that I just used to take the motor out. So you get the long block that has 21,000 miles. You get the Z3 transmission, which is LSD. You get the K-tune shifter brackets. You get the K-tune shifter cables. You get the Hassport powder coated 24K motor mounts, and you get the vane stand. Shipping is on the winner. Picking up is on the winner. If it costs you $300 to have Uline come pick it up and get it to your house, $320, you just got all of this. So I'll be posting this today. Monday morning, 6 o'clock, the raffle will start. You DM me, friends and family, PayPal, Cash App, and your name gets put on the list. 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We use random.org and we pick a winner. That's it. I hope you guys are excited for this build. I can't wait to give back to you in this way, pause, and I can't wait to give back to you with winning the car. I'm not taking any shortcuts with this vehicle. That's why we're putting a K24 JDM in it, so it can make more torque. That's why we're putting a 4-piston ported oil pump. That's why we're putting a action clutch twin disc. We're putting a whole bunch of goodies into this car. So I'll leave you with that. Enjoy your weekend. I love you guys. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. Thank you for supporting.